Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Carol. How are you today? Okay, I'm good. Please get your book Math in Action 4A. Please get your book Math in Action 4A and please open your book on page 114. Please open your book on page 114. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. Okay, so our topic for today is about dividing multi dividing multi-digit numbers by one-digit numbers, okay? Our topic for today is about dividing multi-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. See here. Example. A florist has 215 red roses. She arranged them into 5 bouquets with the same number of red roses. How many red roses are there in a bouquet? Okay, number sentence. 215 divided by 5 is equals to blank. Okay, so divide 215 into 5 equal groups. By 215, the hundreds place divide the digit in the hundreds place. The hundreds place divide the digit in the hundreds place. Two hundreds is not enough to be divided into 5 groups. Therefore, it is regrouped into 20 tens. Okay, so 200s is not enough to be divided into 5 groups. Therefore, it is regrouped into 20 tens. Okay, so this is 20 tens, number 2. Okay, so there, 20 tens. The tens place divide the digit in the tens place. The tens place divide the digit in the tens place. Okay, add 20 tens to 1 tens, which equals 21 tens. Add 20 tens to 1 tens, which equals 21 tens. 21 tens can be divided into 5 groups of 4 tens, with 1 tens remainder regrouped into 10 ones. Okay, so there. In 3, the ones place divide the digit in the ones place. The ones place divide the digit in the ones place. Add 10 ones to 5 ones, which equals 15 ones. 15 ones can be divided into 5 groups of 3 ones. 15 ones can be divided into 5 groups of 3 ones. 215 can be divided into 5 equal groups of 43. Therefore, there are 43 red roses in each bouquet. Okay, so here it's divided. The ones place divide the digit in the ones place. Add 10 ones to 5 ones, which equals to 15 ones. 15 ones can be divided into 5 groups. 3 ones. Okay, so here 215 can be divided into 5 equal groups of 43. Therefore, there are 43 red roses in each bouquet. Okay. This can be shown in long division form. Okay, so this can be shown in long division form here. 215 divided by 5. First, the hundreds place. Okay, the hundreds place, 200s is divided by 5. 200s need to be regrouped into the tens place. Okay, so tens place, which is 21. Okay, so 21. 21 divided by 5. Okay, so 21 divided by 5 is equals to 4. Okay, 4. And then 4 times 5 is equals to 20. The tens place, add 20 tens to 1 tens, which equals 21 tens. 21 tens is divided by 5. The quotient is 4 tens with 1 tens remainder. Regroup into ones place. Okay, so we have a remainder here. 21 minus 20 is equals to 1. Remainder 1. We have a remainder of 1. And then the ones place, add 1/10 to 5 ones. Okay, so we have to add 1 from 1/10, add 1/10 to 5 ones. Okay, 5 ones. So we have to bring down 5 there, which equals 15 ones. Okay, so which equals 15 ones, and then divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. 3 times 5 is equals to 15. And then 15 minus 15 is equals to 0. The quotient is 3. The quotient is 3. There you go. 3. And then 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so 215 divided by 5 equals 43. Each bouquet has 43 red roses. This can be shown in short division form. Okay, so 21 divided by 5 is equals to 4. And then carry 1 there, and then 15. Okay, so 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. Okay, so here the answer is 43. Okay, 43. The calculation in both long and short divisions is the same. In short division, the work is omitted. The work is excluded or omitted, okay? In short division. Okay, check the answer. Check the answer. We can use the relationship between multiplication and division to check the answer. Okay, long form. Okay, so divisor. Okay, so number 5 is the divisor and 43 is the quotient and 215 is the dividend. Okay, so here, divisor, dividend, 215 dividend, and then the quotient is 43. Okay, check the answer. 43 times 5 is equals to, okay, so quotient, which is 43. The answer, sorry about that. So 43 times 5, quotient times the divisor, and the answer should be equal to our dividend. Okay? Okay, multiply the quotient and the divisor. The product has to be equal to the dividend. Divide each digit of the dividend by the divisor from the leftmost place to the place on the right. It is different from addition, subtraction, and multiplication, which are calculated from right to left. Okay, from right to left. Okay, so that's it. Okay, here, page 115. Okay, so on page 115, long form. Okay, so long form. Okay, 115, long form. What is 6,178 divided by 3? Okay, so 3. 6,000 is divided by 3. The quotient is 2,000. Okay, so 2,000. 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Okay, so 2. 6,000 divided by 3 is equals to 2,000. And then 100 is divided by 3. The quotient is 0 hundreds. The quotient is 0 hundred. 1 divided by 3 is equals to 0. And then add 100s to 7 tenths, which equals 17 tenths. 17 tenths is divided by 3. The quotient is 5 tenths, which 2 tenths remainder. Okay, so here, okay, so bring down 7. Okay, so 17 divided by 3 is equals to 5. And then 5 times 3 is equals to 15. And then 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. And then bring down 8. Bring down 8. So 28 Add 2 tens to 8 ones. Okay, add 2 tens to 8 ones, which equals 28 ones. 28 ones is divided by 3. The quotient is 9 ones with 1 ones remainder. The remainder is always less than the divisor. The remainder is always less than the divisor. Okay, so here, 28 divided by 3 is equals to 9. 9 times 3 is equals to 27. And then 28 minus 27 is equals to 1. So the answer is 6,178 divided by 3 is equals to 2,059 with a remainder of 1. With a remainder of 1. Okay, short form. 3. So this is the short form. 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. 1 divided by 3 is equals to 0. 7 divided by... Okay, so 28. Okay, so here, 5. 7 divided by 3 is equals to 5. Okay, 28. So 28 divided by... Sorry, again. So 6 divided by... The calculation in short division is the same as in long division. So 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Then 1 divided by 3 is equals to 0. And then 17. 17 divided by 3 is equals to 5. 17 divided by 3 is equals to 5. And then 28. Okay, so 28. 28 divided by 3 is equals to 9. Okay, so there is it. So 6,178 divided by 3 is 2,059 with the remainder of 1. Okay, with the remainder of 1. Check the answer. 2,059 times 3. Quotient times the divisor is plus the remainder. Okay, quotient times divisor plus the remainder. Okay, so quotient is 2,059 times 3, the divisor, plus 1, our remainder. So that's the remainder is equals to 6,178. Okay, again, the answer is 6,178, which is our dividend. Okay. Multiply the quotient to the divisor, then add the remainder to the products. The sum has to be equal to the dividend. Okay? For division, a multi-digit dividend and single-digit divisor, divide each digit of the dividend by the divisor from the leftmost to the place on the right. From the leftmost on the place. From the leftmost place to the place on the right. Okay, now please open your book on page 117. Please answer your book on page 117, okay? Find each quotient. Use long division. Check your answer. Okay, and also check your answer. Okay, so here, example, 4,572 divided by 6. Okay, so 4,572 divided by 6. 6 divided by 45 is equals to 7. And then 7 times 6 is equals to 42. 45 minus 42 is equals to 3. 3, and then we can divide it. Okay, so we have to bring down 7. So 37 divided by 6 is equals to 6. 6 times 6 is equals to 36. 7 minus 1 is equals 7 minus 6, sorry, 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. And then bring down 2, sorry, bring down 2. And then 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2. 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Okay, so we don't have the remainder. The answer is 762. Answer 762. Bring down 7 resulting process. Bring down 7 resulting in 37. Bring down 2 resulting in 12. There are no more digits to bring down. Okay, so here 6 again. 45 divided by 6 is equals to 7. 7 times 6 is equals to 42. 45 minus 42 is equals to 3. Bring down 7. Okay, so bring down 7. 37 divided by 6 is equals to 6. 6 times 6 is equals to 36. 37 minus 36 is equals to 1, and then bring down 2. Bring down 2 resulting to 12. 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2, and then 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Okay, so there's no more number to bring down. Okay, so the answer is 762. Okay, check your answer. 762 times 6 is equals to 4,572. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so now please answer your book on page 117 and 118. Okay? Please answer your book on page 117 and 118. Okay. If you have any questions, please let me know, or you can also ask Teacher May. Okay? So that's it for today. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.